നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്ങിലെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. നമുക്ക് നേരിട്ട് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ്, the cash book is used for recording all cash receipt and payment. The cash book is used for recording all cash receipt and payment. Second, the purchase book records credit purchases. The purchase book records credit purchases. Third, goods purchased on cash are entered in cash book. Goods purchased on cash are entered in cash book. Sales book records credit sale of goods or services. Sales book records credit sale of goods or services. Sales book is a part of journal. Sales book is a part of journal. The balance in petty cash book is an asset. The balance in petty cash book is an asset. The return inward book records goods sold and returned back. The return inward book records goods sold and returned back. Claim outstanding account in case of insurance company is a personal account. Claim outstanding account in case of insurance companies is a personal account. Claim next. Subscription received in advance in case of a club is a personal account. Subscription received in advance in case of club is a personal account. Rebate on bill discounted in case of banking companies is a nominal account. Rebate on bill discounted in case of a banking companies is a nominal account. A bank reconciliation statement is used to find the causes of difference between the balance as per bank column of cash book and passbook. A bank reconciliation statement is used to find the causes of difference between the balance as per bank column of cash book and passbook. The preparation of a trial balance helps in locating normally error of commission. The preparation of a trial balance helps in locating normally error of commission. An expenditure is capital expenditure because of it intended to benefit in long run. An expenditure is capital expenditure because it intended to benefit in the long run. Both asset and owner's equity will increases by issue of shares for cash. Both asset and owner's equity will increases by issue of shares for cash. Provision for bad and doubtful debt has a credit balance. Provision for bad and doubtful debt has a credit balance. Expense incurred for installation of machinery is a capital expenditure. Expenses incurred for installation of machinery is a capital expenditure. Expenses incurred for installation of machinery is debited to machinery account. Expenses incurred for installation of machinery is debited to machinery account. Balance sheet is a statement of owner's claim, asset and liability. Balance sheet is a statement of owner's claim, asset and liabilities. Loss of stock on account of fire should be debited to profit and loss account. Loss of stock on account of fire should be debited to profit and loss account. Cost of stock lost by fire should be credited to trading account. Cost of stock lost by fire should be credited to trading account. Sales are equal to cost of goods sold plus gross profit. Sales are equal to cost of goods sold plus gross profit. Current liabilities are those payable within a year. Current liabilities are those payable within a year. Current assets are those which convert into cash at least in once year or in an operating cycle. Current assets are those which convert into cash at least in once year or in an operating cycle. Assets easily convertible into cash are called liquid asset. Assets easily convertible into cash are called liquid asset. Copyright is a intangible asset. Copyright is a intangible asset. All assets which are valueless are called fictitious asset. All assets which are valueless are called fictitious asset. Marshalling of asset and liabilities means ordering of asset and liabilities. Marshalling of asset and liabilities means ordering of asset and liabilities. Closing stock is recorded in the trading account and balance sheet. Closing stock is recorded in the trading account and balance sheet. All assets in the balance sheet are valued at their original cost. All assets in the balance sheet are valued at their original cost. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.